Hello students, welcome back to extra class with R.N Mandal. Students, today we will learn your lesson numbers 32, Nature and Us, from your book Collins English Grammar and Compositions of Class 6. Actually, I am recently getting the comments that sir, please make the video of lesson of 32 number chapter Nature and Us for me only. So by reading your comments, I'm preparing this lesson, and this video is for you only. If you also want to another part of the video, another lesson of the video, please mention in comment box. Don't forget to mention in comment box. I will make that particular video lesson for you only. So Nature and Us, this is basically one of the passage. You have to read it out and answer the given questions. Okay, and passages are for your reading improvement. How you read while you are reading the passage, read the passage carefully use the punctuation marks. Then you have to develop your reading habit. It will make you strong, speak fluently, right? Make you give the knowledge of reading, how to read, and got the particular information. So just read out the passage first. When the industrial revolution hit Europe in 19th century, the world held the advent of glorious new age. It was a brave new world, the crowd of steam engines and motor car. World of steam engines and motor car. Then came aeroplanes, spacecraft, and finally computers. Computers are changed the world. Great cities all over the world in echoed with sound of factory sirens and roar of machinery. Little did anyone foresee the havoc that was to be caused this by this attack on nature. It was left to a new lost soul in wildness who spoke to us as prophets of doom. But their cities were submerged, and blank smoke rushing out from the tall chimneys of the million industries houses and drowned by the din of metallic monsters. Today, our planet has reached a stage when environmental pollution is threatening to destroy it. Try to imagine a time when there will be no flower, no butterfly, no fish, when the rain will be black in color, the the clouds soon become a reality if you do not take immediate steps to stop pollution. Today, rivers are drying up, and instead of forest, we have concrete jungle. We grow more trees, stop killing wild animals, avoid using plastic bags, stop littering, use less petrol, and use more environmental friendly produce. The list of doesn't is endless. We must all do our bit towards achieving a pollution free environment, otherwise we will destroyed by monster of our own creation. So this is the passage. We read it out, gather the information, and start B part. B part में देखते हैं क्या है. Already I read the passage, okay, and I find the answer and I wrote in my notebook, okay. So in this part we will fill the circles, okay. Industrial revolutions, when it was started, established, which kind of invention was came. So airplanes, spacecrafts, already we read out. Space crafts, crafts, spacecrafts, car. Okay, for industrial revolution, what was the outcome? Outcome causes air pollution, no forest, black rain, black, rain, and no butterflies, no butterflies, or fish, 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 and one more, rivers dry up, dry up, concrete jungle, and black smoke. These kind of things are happening. Next, C part. C part, what we have to do, answer these questions briefly. What was the question? Would be, what would it be like if environment pollution destroy nature? अगर नेचर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दे, ख़त्म कर दे, तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? तो सिंपल सा आंसर है, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने पैसेज में पढ़ा, इफ़ एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन विल डिस्ट्रॉय नेचर देयर विल बी नो फ्लावर, नो बटरफ्लाई, नो फिश, एंड द रेन विल बी ब्लैक इन कलर, क्लाउड विल बी ड्रीम. ओके, क्लाउड होगा ही नहीं. ऑलरेडी रिवर्स आर ड्राइंग अप एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट वी हैव कंक्रीट जंगल. सब चारों ओर सीमेंट ही सीमेंट है, कंक्रीट जंगल है. Second number, what can be the done to control environment pollution? What we have to do? We have to forest, plant more trees, stop killing wild animals. Such kind of things we have to do. So how you write the answer? There are many things that we can be done to control environment pollutions, like growing more trees, planting more trees, stopping the killing of wild animal, avoiding using of plastic bags, stopping the practice of littering, using less petrol, and encouraging the use of environmental friendly products, and so on. Number third, what is the monster of our own creation? The pollution earth is monster of our own creation, since we ourselves would have been responsible for creating this monster. We would only have ourselves to blame for the steady destruction of the earth. Okay, so D part, find out the words in passage which means opposite of the words. इसका opposite है, ऑलरेडी मैंने फाइंड आउट कर लिया है, नोट करके रखा हूँ, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. डिपार्चर जो है, डिपार्चर क्या होगा? एवेंट होगा. ठीक है, सॉरी, क्या होगा? एडवेंट, ADVENT, एडवेंट. पीस, पीस, हैवोक, HAVOC. साइलेंस, साइलेंस क्या होगा? रोर. ऑपोजिट मीनिंग्स मीन्स एंटोनियम्स. क्रिएट, क्रिएट विल बी डिस्ट्रॉय. एंड डिलेड, डिलेड लेट जो है, डिलेड को क्या लिखेंगे? इमीडिएट. इमीडिएट. ओके, सो ई पार्ट, ई पार्ट देखते हैं. मैच विद देयर मीनिंग, जो सेनोनियम्स है या जिसका जो मीनिंग है उसको लिखना है. हेल्ड, हेल्ड विल बी क्या होगा? प्राइस, प्राइज्ड ग्रेटली. डीन, डीन लाउड और अनप्लेजेंट. हैवक, अभी पढ़ा हम लोगों ने हैवक, एंटोनियम्स लिखा. लार्ज स्केल डिस्ट्रैक्शन. फॉरेस्ट, फॉरेस्ट विल बी, वो नहीं, सॉरी, foresee, predict, and doom, travel, fate. Terrible fate, not tribal. Tribal are the people, those who are belong to ancient culture. Find two example of these sentences in the passage. इस passage में आपको assertive sentence find out करना, and explanatory sentence and imperative sentence. First of all, assertive sentence, declarative sentence. Simple sentences you have to write. Any simple sentences you have to write. Explanatory sentence and imperative sentence. Such kind of sentence are imperative sentence, which are giving you permission, order, or request, seeking about the request. Explanatory sentence, the sentence which are having explanatory marks and having surprise, great joy, sorrow, like this. So this can be डन बाय यू, आप कर सकते हो उसको. और लेट्स चेक द पैसेज में देखते हैं ऐसा कुछ है. टू assertive sentence. Okay, any two assertive sentence we can write, like it was a large new world, could steam engines and motor cars. This one sentence. Second one, and then come aeroplanes, spacecraft and finally computer. यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेनेटरी मार्क्स है, सो आप इसको एक्सप्लेनेटरी सेंटेंस के तौर पर क्या कर सकते हो, लिख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट ये एसरेटिव सेंटेंस है पहला वाला, सेकंड एक्सप्लेनेटरी सेंटेंस है. नेक्स्ट जो है और एक एसरेटिव सेंटेंस आपको लिखना, इट वॉज लिव टू फ्यू सोल इन द वाइल्डनेस ऑफ द स्पोक टू प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ prophet of doom. Right, these are two assertive sentence. First one this one, okay, and second one this one. You can find out another one also, आप अलग भी खोज सकते हो. और एक एक्सप्लेनेटरी सेंटेंस होगी एक्सप्लेनेटरी मार्क्स है, और एक एक्सप्लेनेटरी सेंटेंस यहीं पर है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर भी एक्सप्लेनेटरी मार्क्स है ये जो है. सो दिस वन ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेनेटरी सेंटेंस, दिस वन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस देखते हैं. दो इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस, एनी इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस विच इज मेकिंग asking you about what request or like that. So let me check first. If stop killing wild animals, right, this one first imperative sentence, and avoid using plastic bags, this one. ये जो है दोनों imperative sentence है, first second. So complete this 32 number chapter lesson. Hope you understood well. Read the passage first, then write the answer in your own language or find out from the passage. And one more thing, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you are having the option already, YouTube is giving the option like and dislike. Okay, and how you found the video, please mention in comment box. Introduce yourself, where are you watching from, how these videos are helpful for you. वीडियो आपको कितना ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है, आपको कैसा लग रहा है और किस तरह से करना चाहिए, आप देख सकते हो और बता सकते हो. तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. धन्यवाद, थैंक यू.